Local updates for optimism, some good news and the bad news. I would like to show you my targets for the futures trade. First of all, guys, this is a good news. So this is a large tokens that survived a full venture funds vesting. And one of these token is optimism. And the latest unlock, final venture funds unlock was in just yesterday. So yes, of course, this is how the early investors of super fundamental projects looks like a chart of that project. So no matter what fundamental behind of this project, everything depends. The price depends of unlocks, the venture funds, the market makers, the centralized exchanges. So they decide to dump it because they absolutely don't care about the optimism utility. This month, guys, will be unlocked. This one, so 2.8 billion value of altcoins. It's just mind-blowing numbers, guys. 2.8 billion. The early investors, some also the venture funds, will get their allocation. And what they will do with the tokens, most likely they will dump it. So I recommend you just check your favorite altcoins, maybe some of them with the upcoming large unlocks. So be careful, be careful. And you saw next month's even bigger unlocks. What is good for the optimists? I showed you, so most of these venture funds basically are already out. And now 50% already unlocked at 2.15 billion tokens in circulation supply. So $1 price, 2.15 billion market capitalization. We could double check the fundraising rounds. And unfortunately, there is no data, at what price do they get the optimism? Like Andreessen Horowitz, the Paradigm, Ideal Collab venture, I never heard about this one. So at least after the 5 years, they out. So it's positive. Now everything depends of market makers and basically centralized exchanges, because we need some big player or maybe some good marketing campaign for optimism to put the price higher, because just utility is not enough. What is good, guys? Here, this is a my zone where I will try to open a long position. At least I add my alert. So I think with the little bit drop, with the sweep of that low form, like 1, 2, and 3 dry pattern, we could sweep liquidity of March zone 26 and go higher. Where I added 2 alerts. This one to the 9 cents 95, and this one to 6 cents 66, for example. And after that, I think we will come back and test the fundamental value below. Now it's 39 cents 42, and take profit line is $1.04. So imagine at this point it's going to be 2.15 or 2.5 billion market capitalization. So maybe it's going to be the end of optimism performs. That's why build the own plan where to out. So take profit zones I showed you daily. Why it's important to add alerts and wait? Because here, now we try hold the line at the order block. I don't think so. We're going to hold it because the BTC go down on the 72K. So we're not hold the 72K. So next step, I guess, going to be 70 for the BTC. And altcoins can bloody more. And optimism, here's my alert to be ready to open the trade. And here's another one like buy line on a daily time frame. Now it's 8 cents 32. This is it. 12 time frame, almost the same, 8 cents 74. So I wish to see the last drop and the finally rebound up to the fundamental value line price, to the take buy line below test, and take profit line and the exit line. All right, we can close this one. Smart money concept zones, guys. Monster time frame. You could see the this one, it was a weekly gap. This is an order block on the monster time frame. So the 160, and we also can delete 160 and 244 also will be like a magnet for the price. So in the future. And by the way, yes, maybe it's going to be the end of perform of optimism. If we go back to the weekly time frame, we can find out. So here, 181, $2.09. It's an auto block on a weekly. I'm not sure about a test of 2025 yearly open. Let's turn on the favorable gaps in the block break of structures. This is a gaps on weekly time frame, and the most important is the monthly. Monthly, guys, this one. All of these gaps, like you can see, will be also like a magnet, and it's first trouble area. I'm not counting this one. It's 44, 46, 61. After that, we need to break the structure on the weekly to go higher to the 120 and 158. Will we sweep this buy side liquidity? I have no idea, guys, just to be honest. That's why I add my alert to be ready to our open position. I will not buy optimism even if we drop to the 6 cents for a spot, because I don't want to touch the altcoins now. For the spot, it's kind of too risky. That's why I build a plan for the futures. Above on the daily time frame, a lot of gaps, but not all of them should be closed. But this one is like a main one, and I think we can close the 60 cents this year. So let's double check the money power. All other indicators, guys, I recommend it to double check by yourself. Some positive news and some money inflow was by end of the May at 11:37. I wish to see one more money inflow with this sweep. Weekly time frame, like you can see, we can drop to the bottom, and all after that, you can see the money inflow again. Some accumulation was at 12 cents and the 10.92. I wish to see the same drop, sweep liquidity, and money inflow on the weekly, and finally go higher. Write please in a comment, guys, what do you think about optimism? If you would like to trade as my customer, because I will show in this video, is right in the DM. Don't forget your Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.